Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your first name?
My first name is Armando.
What is your last name?
My last name is Aquino. Okay, Anna, what is your phone number?
My phone number is 829 982 2316.
What is your nickname?
My nickname is Nana. How do you spell your name?
N R M with A N E O. And you, Anna?
A.
What is your favorite color?
The color black. And what is yours, Armando?
And the color black too.
Great. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you for.
See you later.
See you soon. Bye.